Kids Zone with Trishy. Today, friends, we're going to read a story about Christmas. It's called Fa La La. Fa La La. It's almost Christmas. I love Christmas. We go to pick a tree. This one? This one. We put on the lights. Look at me! I'm a Christmas tree. We decorate a gingerbread house. Yum! Boom! Uh-oh! I make presents. A necklace for Mommy. A toy for Kitty. A collar for Doggy. A telescope for Daddy. Time to see Santa. 1, 2, 3, swing! I have to be so patient. My turn! Poke!
Ouch!
Mama!
It's okay. Ho, ho, ho! Say cheese!
We sing Christmas songs. Fa la 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 la. Shh, time for bed. Will Santa come? It's morning! Yay! We open and open and open and open. I love Christmas. Merry Christmas.